right, so of course this is the 4S, and we have the 450 horsepower and how many pound-feet of torque? It's probably like 300. Yeah, 390. That's plenty. So this is the full sport setting and everything, so or is this the
We're in sport now.
Okay.
Yeah. And then there's Sport Plus as well.
All right.
Sport Plus can be a little intense. It keeps your RPMs up around 35 to 4,000.
Okay, yeah.
Keeps the turbo spooled up.
Very similar. Yeah, it moves.
Yeah, they try to keep all similarities across all different models.
Yeah, it makes it easier for production and everything. Yeah, I mean, this thing moves. And that was the auto, right? That was an overrun, yep. Yeah, and in the manual mode with PDK, it's very, very rapid.
Yeah, and you can shift it when it's in.
And you can override, yeah, yep.
And it will go back about 25 seconds.
Yep.
Go back to drive.
Yeah, I mean, for this exhaust system, and this is does this have a sport exhaust on it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, if I put it in normal, it quiets right down.
Yep, and with the valves.
Yeah. The valves are now electronic.
Oh, okay.
It used to be vacuum.
Right.
So it's instant and it's infinitely variable.
Okay.
Between any different level of open close.
Yeah, because the last Porsche I drove was the Cayman. We had that for a week, and it had a noticeably loud exhaust with the valves open, and it was very rapid. I don't know if it was the not the V6, it was the 4-cylinder, 718, I think. Did that have the electric?
Nope.
Nope.
Still vacuum.
Still vacuum.
Yeah.
Yeah, ride comfort's really nice, and these seats are super supportive as well.
Yeah. This one has the 18-way seats too, so the bolsters are
right.
adjustable.
Yep. You get that overrun too. Everyone goes nuts for pops and crackles. I'm over it. I tuned my GTI and gave it pops and crackles, and I'm over it.
It can get if it's too loud, it can get exhausting.
Yeah. Yeah, quite literally. Yeah, but you can hear that induction too. That's one thing I noticed. I mean, it was the first ever kind of I mean, it was first I think ever turbocharged car I think I drove with the intakes right on the side was that Cayman, and it's still, you can still hear it on this car. I mean, those the boost that you can is just going through the sides. It's insane instead of the boost coming in from the front.
We'll go on a little.
Yes, a little twisty. Yeah, this thing's optioned very well, and I think one of my viewers said he spec'd his vehicle just like this one, and he was like, "Oh, thank you for this video," because I don't know, he probably purchased through another dealership, but it was really funny because I mean this spec was quite literally his exact spec, and he sent me the sticker and everything.
It's a good build.
Yeah, it's a really nice build with this dark blue and the lighter interior.
Wake up the neighbors.
Yeah. And so does this pump any sound into the cabin? Any?
It does, but it's not synthetic.
Oh.
There's a direct duct.
No way.
That comes into the cabin. So
Yeah.
you actually get real engine noise.
Okay, yep.
It's not through the speakers.
Right.
So that's Sport Plus.
Okay, and so what does Sport Plus do compared to Sport?
Keeps the turbo spooled up maximum.
Oh, okay,
That's
all right.
why the RPMs are so high.
So it's more of a kind of a sport auto type of gig as
For the
opposed
track,
to,
yeah.
yep, okay, that makes sense.
It'll always be like wide open.
Yep. Does it cut your traction at all when you change the modes?
No, you have to do that on your own. You have to take the traction.
Okay.
control.
Yeah, that's nice. With I drove this summer at the kind of the beginning of the summer. We rented a Hellcat for the week, and if you put that thing in track mode, it kills power. So I had an individual setting to keep the the race everything except for the stability track and all that, because I did not trust the car with that off.
Yeah, it's a lot of power for no traction control.
Yeah. And is this this all-wheel drive system? Is it Haldex? Do you know?
I don't know off the top of my head.
Okay.
I don't know who they use.
Yeah.
I wouldn't be surprised if it's internal. As Porsche being an engineering firm.
Right.
First.
Yep, exactly. And they have their own transmission, PDK, and yeah.
They're very internal development focused.
Yep. Yeah, absolutely. This thing is a very nice ride.
It's comfortable, right?
Yeah.
It's more. That's like the one thing we hear most is that they're surprised on how well it kind of eats up the bumps.
Yep.
You could daily drive this and be comfortable every day.
Oh yeah. Yeah, people do daily drive them. Yep. Yeah, and this thing has the 20-inch, and I think is it 21s in the rear.
21s now, yeah.
Yep. So I mean, for 20, I mean I have 19s, but I don't have that the soft suspension on the GTI, but this thing rides for 20 and 21s in the back. It's very, very soft. And this is like a form of magnet ride, or?
It's their own adaptive suspension. Yeah, it's not the same technology as the magnesium or magnetic ride control.
Yes. Yep.
But it does have different chambers in the shocks.
Oh. Okay.
And bleed off.
Yep.
To adapt to their
And what are the warranties for these newer Porsches?
50,000 miles.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's not bad at all for this type of car.
Yeah.
Yeah, the newer Volkswagens, I think 2018s and above, they have a 72,000 6-year, so
Yeah.
very enticing. I think I'm looking at a newer Golf R.
Yeah.
To get myself out of the GTI, because like wintertime,
Yeah.
it's brutal. I'm from North Conway too, so we get it bad.
Snow.
Yep.
Yeah, the all-wheel drive would be nice.
Yep. Yeah, this thing, it's a good car. It's a really good car, and
Hard to beat, man.
it's well worth the money too. That's one thing you have to like keep in mind. I mean, it's 150 for this spec, right?
Yeah.
I think starting at 120 for the 4S, and it's well worth it. With this type of spec too, you gotta go above and beyond.
If you're gonna get it, you gotta get the good stuff.
Exactly, right. Well, thank you so much.
Yeah.
And if you have any information that people can reach out to you.
Yeah, I mean, we're Porsche of Stratham.
Yep.
My direct cell is 802-299-7464.
Very cool. All right. Well, thank you, Eric.
Yeah.